Partial string formatting. Is it possible to do partial string formatting with the advanced string formatting methods, similar to the string template safe_substitute function? For example,
you could use the partial function from functools, which is short, most readable, and also describes the coder's intention.
If you know in what order you're formatting things, use it like this. You can't specify foo and bar at the same time, you have to do it sequentially.
You can trick it into partial formatting by overwriting the mapping. Printing. Of course, this basic implementation only works correctly for basic cases.
This limitation of dot format, the inability to do partial substitutions, has been bugging me. After evaluating writing a custom formatter class as described in many answers here and even considering using third-party packages such as lazy_format, I discovered a much simpler inbuilt solution, template strings. It provides similar functionality but also provides partial substitution thorough safe_substitute method. The template strings need to have a $ prefix, which feels a bit weird, but the overall solution I think is better. Formed a convenience wrapper based on this. Similarly, a wrapper based on Sven's answer which uses the default string formatting.
Not sure if this is okay as a quick workaround, but how about smiley face?
It's the solution.